What's the meaning of alluringly? Alluringly. 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 Alluringly.
Alluringly means in a way that is attractive, tempting, or fascinating. When something is described as alluringly, it implies that it has a seductive quality that is hard to resist. For example, someone might move alluringly across a room, drawing the attention of onlookers with their grace and allure. This adverb can also be used to describe things such as music, scents, or images that have a captivating or enchanting quality. Overall, alluringly denotes a sense of charm and magnetism that entices one to be drawn towards the subject in question.